Hello and welcome to Bottom Up Skills. I'm Mike Parsons, I'm the CEO of Qualitance. We have a brand new course for you, and it's all about how to fix customer experience in banking. No doubt you've heard so much about neobanks and fintechs. Well, we're going to break it all down. We're going to understand a little bit about what's happening in this market because it's pretty exciting. There's lots and lots of growth going on, but it's not without its challenges. And one of the biggest single challenges in the world of banking today is the customer experience. Banks are faced with this challenge of trying to run a bank. That's a pretty regulated, pretty challenging business. You've got to manage this idea of risk. But also at the same time, in parallel, banks need to also deploy a world-class customer experience. Very challenging stuff. So what we've done is we've put together a really powerful course that's going to take you through the big 5 areas of customer experience that can be improved, and they can have dramatic impact on the customer experience. I'll go even further and say it will help you build trust with your customers. Let's have a look at these big 5 areas of customer experience. 1 is opening an account. That thing is just way too slow. 2, making payments. That's been made as hard as possible in some cases. 3, international money transfer. Lots of opportunity to improve the customer experience. Open banking, number 4. There's a lot there because we're talking to third parties. And number 4, customer support. Simple, but still a really big problem. So as you can see, we've got a lot of goodies to share with you. There's going to be a lot of good content. So I'm really excited to share this course with you. And at the end of it, there's 4 big goals that I want you to have achieved. 1, I want you to understand the difference between the challenges that fintechs and banks face, sort of the difference between the new and the old. In addition, we want to really drill down on those 5 big customer experience areas. 2 more things really important, which will help put this all in context. I want you to understand that the size of the fintech opportunity is massive, and there's many more players than you might think. And lastly, it's all about celebrating the agile mindset. That's right. This agile mindset, we've really uncovered it in our recent trends report. It is the essential way to think, to behave, to collaborate with your peers if you want to win in the digital age. So all the talking is now done. Let's head over to the course. Let's dig in and learn how to improve the customer experience in banking.